everybody na sex. My young day, IBB confess, they donate, give him. He confessed that Abiola win the election. That's a confession. Because he confessed, they go beat him. IBB confessed that they donate money, billions of naira. Do you know they give IBB 17 billion for book where you write? You know how many books I don't read? Are they all 17 million? They give IBB 17 billion. When I hear the money they give IBB, I get high BP. Oh no, Nigeria don't spoil. Nobody is not even talking about all this now just sex. If only we can keep our blockers, then we can focus, see what they block us. Oh, now people just move. Now social media. Do you know my biggest problem now as I speak? That's my biggest problem now. Be say my pikin and get fan. My first son. For now, we have everything for YouTube. My pikin leave everything for you to go fall in love with Gege. Do you know how long you convinced me to? How long you took me to convince that boy? Say, "Oh, boy, na barrel." Because he told me say that you are doing like that. I said, "Barrel no work. What did they do?" I tell my pikin they go school in the morning. They just meter break. They just resume. I tell my pikin they from say I carry my pikin they go school. My pikin get mine. They tell me say, "Daddy, are you sure this is not a financial mistake?" They tell me. My pikin, they talk. I got the child to convince my pikin. Say school is I say, shh. And I know is the last word of a fool. So make a return and go, everything has sex. Do you know that you can post job opportunity now for WhatsApp? Nobody will message you. Post job, post market, secretly like they post job, nobody the message. But just post big nyash. Baba for me test their nyash now. Me want test nyash. Just hold on, I don't post. Now I don't post one of my classmates where don't die. Post on for WhatsApp, the girl get big nyash. Now one of my guys don't message me, Baba, may they still pass me nyash now. I said, bro, you know Sarah IP? Say, I met me no first. When you say about the abbreviation of the girl name. Now I say this particular arrest me now rest in peace. You don't die, let her rest in peace. Leave this guy alone. That guy said my deepest condolences. 2 minutes later, that guy messaged me again. Bro, how far? I feel still get the number in case person die tomorrow. Hold on, everything about sex. Sex don't spoil it. Even the social media thing. Now sex saga and if not be say, I wish everybody they keep their prick. This social media saga where they happen for no happen. You know people don't they talk say what did D1 see for very dark man body. D1 say one discipline very dark man. Actually, nobody say one discipline very dark man. When D1 enter Big Brother, you don't say that the Uber man will carry and connect and go back. As he just connect, they say D1, take your load and return. As he one book, now the man say, "Are they outside?" Hold on, as the man enter, so that voice when they say D1, that one say, "Pack your load and leave the house." You know, say they know they see the voice. So D1, you don't that you don't depend, you don't cram that voice, don't find that person since. So this is Big Brother, that voice. So when very that man come, he go say, "All right." Now D1 say he's the one. You know that? Now that same voice. And you know that now they accuse everybody because the darker side of a man, and when they accuse say they sleep with another man. What if the man is not the one? Even our guy, they accuse him. Say before he feature the girl for skit, he will carry the girl go hotel, carry the girl like that and say, "Unde do." You understand? They accuse the guy. But at the end of the day, all these guys they might be innocent because social media matter are two-faced. Hold on. Social media matter are two-faced. So if you want to know the truth about social media, the best person to ask is Zik Saloma because he knows it all. Since when they bomb me, I never see one person. If person dress, is when they bomb me, the other person say, "All dry." Person go dry, say, "This your shoe dry. This your cloth dry." And the last one you see person, you say, "When your nose go dry." Zik Saloma just change everything. Social media, yes, now social media makes everything up. And now women, they cause all these things. Women, everybody they fight for woman. Even see senator, when they shout, "The eyes have it. We don't say for night, they beg one woman, say, "Can I have it?" Everybody, they mess everything up. You know the women are the other people where they pretend to hate something for afternoon, can't like the tea for night. In the afternoon, women claim they hate suckers, but every night they play with balls. God have mercy. That is why I I die for 188, she go die for 98. Now the shock of my news go kill her. I know that anything my wife they take now, now they take. If she they take baby things, I take baby things. If take pampers, I take pampers. Since when I started to take her monthly drugs, I know they get headache again. Everything yes now because everything don't they spoil, everything don't they go. Because social media don't go now, don't they go use to enjoy ourselves. If you see each other now, they're going to tell each other, say, have you heard that one news? Have you heard this message news? You remember those days? Now textbook we take the boast. You'll see your classmate say, have you read Echoes of Hard Time? Without a silver spoon. That one go say chicken at the river. That one go say Sister Passing is dead. That one go say our husband has gone mad again. And when you go with science students, and they job me, when you go with science students want to sweep you off your feet. Because say you, have you read above you? How can you change blue litmus paper to red litmus paper? You now when you be art student, you want to frustrate the science student, say hard trouble, personification. You're going to frustrate the science student. Those things when they write letters, give it. I don't know if you remember those the one they craft this from music book. You want that letter, give care. You go to copy from music book, the girl don't know. You don't talk to the girl don't know. You can't sing, give the girl. You can't write the letter, write, go give the girl. From there, copy. If I die now, go no. If I die now, I go happy. I don't remember this song. Say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Oh, yeah. You, when you did with me, so that was those days. Now, you know, so when your dad don't fall in love, the girl parents go call the family now to kill you now. When I go house for one of my classmates' house, where Papa and brother they live house for. As my house, you go still write another song, give the girl. If I could run away, I'll run away with you. Yeah, una the high so. That goes on the high so. Your friend now will on the high for your house, come go sleep with the girl. Now the girl don't break your heart. This time you don't need to see from the music book again, I give her. Now the music book you can't hold, they think, they cry. You can't hear something like, oh my if you not get that time, if you not get that time, you go wait from 10 p.m. They wait till 12 o'clock, maybe for 30 p.m. Around level 59, once people go carry you. Every morning when you wake up at 4 p.m., the girl don't send text message give you say, you are no longer my boyfriend. You that cannot stay awake to protect this relationship, how can you keep watch? Okay. Hold on! Now many guests today, the married people will feed their awake. Now many guests end up marrying Jehovah's Witness because they're always there awake. You remember those good old days when we use book then they post? You'll see basic. Remember, how much remember botanical name? Oriva Sativa. The frustrated. How many times you ever market tell you I say I want to buy Karika Papaya? How many times? And that's the way you want to write all this exam as you enter school like this, as you want to write all this exam as you enter school like this, because then you don't want to forget what you read. Anytime when they talk to you, now the team name you take the answer them. And they say, Baba Alpha, I say, Orifa Sativa. How you do Karika Papaya? Why you talk like this? Zimmers. Good old days. But everybody wants to make money. That's why it's always good to make money. Money, they say money is the root of all evil, but poverty is an evil for us. Yes, now make money. How can I meet me one day? I go one of my guy's house. I want to go beg for food. You know, so before you beg, you first play with best children. And they play with the guy's children. I carry the guy picking for laugh. My belly make noise. The picking say, "Uncle, can you do it again?" If you make money, nobody will give you finish for this life. You don't get anybody. That's why I respect Davido. If you are here, you're a big fan of Davido, make some noise for Davido, please. Nobody can give you see finish. Now when you don't make money, your in-laws go dey tell you say you must come to our village to come and marry our daughter. When you make money, nobody go tell you that thing. And they go dey stress on yourself. If you know the money to marry them, give the girl belle, the parents go come see you. Yes, now the stress. When I want marry for Ogeli, my in-laws they worry me. They say I must come Ogeli to marry. As they go, I move to myself for 10 times. Now me calm down. People almost don't know that. Anything one way, my father go say convert to Mandelian, convert to Yam. I don't say my father like I am and I am. Not my father. But see why they do marry now. Because they do get money. If we say if, now they joke with by pride. They must come is copy. But because they do get money, the food is enterprise. Tradition they do, culture they front. Now you have to know and keep it in time.
DJ. Don't drink. Where's Pastor K? Pastor K, how you doing? Don't be smart to since yesterday. No, sir, I had a drink. The man where my wife did do example for me, don't go give him my belly for answer. No more example. No clap. Sako, now you the clap. But this life no balance, so this Nigeria don't scatter. Nobody fit tell me say Nigeria no get stepmother. First way born Nigeria marry another woman. Now the warriors, a country that cannot control its petrol. Nigeria will get mental problem. If this country no get mental problem, why be say na only this country, 9 beauty queens, they suck the cap to hear the crown. Now wisdom I go to drop small. You know, bring her down, not to worry. You don't say nobody take for London. I go London, I not take. All the time when they do show for London, nobody they stay for London. Nobody. London is a very boring country. You just go London through 1 week. You don't see anybody fight anybody. What is life? You reach, hold up. Nobody they blow horn. What is driving without pam? Nobody they would peace. They tell me say I don't feel peace for tire. What it be life without say you know peace for tire? Do you know what that they deprive you say you know peace for tire? You know what it means say you don't high. You can't carry your distance say you want to go peace. You call the peace for your tire. If the peace won't come sweet, your friend will go follow you. 12 now call the peace. I know no discussion, sweet part. Now I call the tension that deep secret. Cut off now don't drink. As the peace, me go you look my guy. I'll say advice. I go say I'll say oh boy no be better wife I marry you. Advice I'll call look me. You say oh boy now will be say you already tell me your own. You know say that my first son no be my own. Big other. Don't be sure fool so. Everywhere shut down. This life now brave my brother. One of my daughter too old. You know see us by Mario go open boutique. You call the same clothes. So that if you select one from the customer. Bring her down. Don't mama. Bring her. I'm not tired. I just run sharp. Then they talk about pastor, okay, just now. You know why you just they preach for this side? You don't come in this side. Now, beneath the see church, opposite church, the two speakers are called they disturb each other. If you they dance to the other church, praise and worship. Now, pastor go say, my friend, see that is not our choir. Beneath when one pastor they preach, another pastor they reply. That was said, the Lord will lead you. Say, shut up there, you. There are two churches opposite each other. Oh, my church is full Benin. Every year for Benin. Benin will go to do show. People will go to hold it. They'll say why you don't put their logo. Bring her down. Oh, wait. Now, hold on. We're not job for this part of the world, though. See as every year go. If you reach Benin, every year heat, hot sun, heat. The kind of heat where they Benin, no artist don't fit drop any heat because I don't hit the rain. All the artists need to wait till rainy season to rain again. Now they throw money here. Wow, say they throw money in a gentle way. Now Benin they go throw you money, they'll throw beret Jenna. The best the guys they call John our court without money. I dey enjoy it. I've been where they beat for the Christmas. Say why go the year red cap, the banner go right. Say the guy they form end of the year cuties. Let me believe one guy, they say skin no full, no full body. One fat guy, can go carry guy, say skin full. He reach as na full body small. Now the guy called the shout, come up body job. You are happy. M.O.P. you all wear beret for poster. It say they know they use this one. Me wear me color, now they beat me. They say now they are branch for Kenya. You know see that guy in the throw money? Every video they do like this. Ask bros Akporo now. He just recover recently. How do I hear the shout? Not be last week he go perform for Opa. As you do wow! Now I want to do my do like this. The real Chris join entire body. You know to the way they cure him. When they do show, say our show sweet. Anyway, comedian they crack joke. Person you come waka me too. Alpha. Tell DJ me play music, man want dance. Oh my brigada. This life now, what you talk, God will give you. Correct. No stone me like that. I can feel beat you. No? You want to I'll be cut this. This full trousers and a beret. This life, now pray, no, my brother. Listen to me. Oh. You dey pray, may God give you children where you get bright future. You want sleep with your wife in the off light. So, all these Nigerian guys, VIP, I be irregular. God will bless now. Big shout out. Now they make sure tough. No sound that they laugh. When my state now, person go perform. If they mistakenly buy your table, they will call your hand big come the show. Any artist will perform, they will mark them. They'll say, Akporo will perform. I can what of you don't perform before I can say yes, you mark them. One guy do show, all the artists perform, they still call the guy with do show, they say, Alpha, show. Now the guy say, what of this last guy will never perform? Now the guy say, which guy? This guy where they call and many more. Hold on. Now the guy say, and many more no be artists. Now bro, say the grace. You think say we no get sense. No be this and many more. No be the say many more. Many more. If you know say, if you reach that time, you know say I fit talk from now till tomorrow. Guys now, all these guys now, what did they read for Nana now? Braless society, braless. Man of God, there I know I just respect man of God. Braless society, braless. Una person papa will come still die. Una come still call the barrier. Una still wear polo. Una no wear bra inside. People want us to be money and be honey at the same time. Braless society. iPhone will come now. Hello, sir, bro. Hello. At the crack joke. You listen, See your head. You don't see your head. Cameraman video I make sure your head. Make I come on. They don't give me signal. No say this life when all night don't today. Usher go dey wake Usher. Say me I run am sharp. Now only believe that they use gospel songs, say glory and mercy. You go the waka, you go the Christ the solid rock I stand. All other ground is sinking sand. All other ground is sinking sand. JC root. Now the root where the command for body. And it they suffer for nas cocoa, cocos, all the cocos. My brother, my sister drinks the tree, come out for body, one time fiam. That to the cell of the soul, it is in Nigeria. Brother, sister, brother. Now Gloria you carry so drink the tree, come out for body, fiam. All other ground is sinking sand. And all of una way don't go use yet. All of una way una hear say iPhone 13 Pro don't come out. Una don't go walk with una waist. Go use here gather money. They go buy iPhone. Una reach where they sell the iPhone now. Una buy the iPhone. Una say make they put screen guard. Make the iPhone no scatter. Meanwhile, what una take buy the phone? It don't.
Let's get it on.
I don't pick it call Lagos. Very place. This Lagos. I never see place like this. If you piss, you don't go know whether you flush or you no flush. The piss and the water are the same color. Call it this Lekki. Yes, now. Lagos. And at this Lagos, girl go do fake nyash. Should I get mind? How you as a girl, you do fake nyash. They want buy motor for you. They look for first body. No, now wisdom at the drop. I know the hurry man. I don't know maybe the last person. Lagos, where two twins come up for Enugu. They come up for Enugu, one call hustle. Two musicians, twins, so they reach Lagos. One first, one blow because of hold up. Wisdom. Now later you get the collector of it. Nigeria don't have to say everybody now. By this time, for terror culture before, by this time, everybody don't go house. Who want go house now? Who want go on diesel? You know how you want to go on diesel? You know how much for diesel? Oh, I don't need to clap. You know when last you want to go on your AC? AC get a free AC. Nobody. M.O.P, you don't need to tell anybody stay. Now like we go stay. You know heat where they outside there. Heat everywhere. About the charge of heat. The heat where this country now be like waiting the plug for stabilizer. If you see heat, that's why no artist fit drop any heat. Now God heat the rain. All artists need to wait for rainy season to rain again. I know they do the usual. Heat day everywhere now. Bros, you know say now you go back and heat don't they so they bank they full. Nobody they pay, nobody they withdraw. Man can't rest. Bank go full, heat everywhere. Hold on now, update. Oh, no worry. Not be this guy with this way they say, wait, casino say, no, they make noise just now. Alpha. Hello, bro. I beg. Casino na Jew, me na Curtis, I beg. I beg, no make noise again, I beg. Okay, now you they in charge of her. When did they misbehave? Okay, now this guy. I beg. Joke they good when people they list, I beg, though. Madam, carry on. Where your wife? I do. I'm going through a lot, too. How long have you been in this problem? You don't rest for this country. This country, every year don't rest. Nigeria not be good country. This country where the steep it will be mandate. He go court, the thief phone. Who they find mandate? Who they find mandate, they find phone. But see, this life, my brother, this life, you need to make money. Some boys going to tell say money is not everything. Listen to me, money is everything. As a boy, if you get girlfriend, now you they buy ice cream, but another man they make them scream. I not just the crowd joke, you must carry something, go house. Some people go tell say I don't get money, I get big blockers. It's not my blockers. Blockers when don't get money, na Davido. Well, listen to me, una too dey laugh for here now. They laugh. Listen to me. Let me tell you the difference. Oga, you know how this man fresh. Let me tell you the difference between who get money and who no get money. If you get money, you give girl belle mistakenly. The guy go call you. Hello, James. I'm pregnant for you. You go there. You say it's not my baby. You say it's your baby. It's not my baby. It's your baby. But poor when you give girl belle. The first thing you hear, hello, wisdom. You have ruined my life. Poverty is a disease. Listen, not today. But Nigeria don't have though. Nigeria, one of my guys, what be say for NYC, that time for NYC, now the guy, the guy, they show himself that won't finish for NYC, now the guy, they give a secretariat key, they give everybody room. You know, give me room now. 2 years ago, I got fix POP for my house. The guy don't know, say after POP, go fix POP. That's my senior man campaign. With the drop a hot auto. These people, they pick intelligent joke. That's why I like it. They go school now. That's why I like that culture. As you drop one joke for year, as you go back, they go pick and try for Benin. Benin, as you drop joke, as you go back, then go back. If you can't laugh, you make the face in a joke. Hey, they'll say, hey, wait till they do this one. Benin too rugged. Don't be casting the church. Benin boys are not they believe anything. No. Benin boys not they believe say anything they read. Like Uber come Benin, Uber work for Benin. Oh, Uber work for 4 years. Uber not make one naira. Benin boys not believe say Uber don't come Benin. They go order Uber. Uber go call. They say he they work. Oh. No, oh no worry. Now that's it. I mean they full ground. Now maybe the last person 4 hours a day. This is work day this country. Work day. No work. This one here. You need like 290 come with the whole camera with 2 hands. Don't work now. Work no day. Who plans one video anybody? Douglas, you talk about marriage. You don't see things for marriage. How long have you been married? 4 years. No, I mean rightfully because I know if you give my belly before you marry. Rightfully. Okay, rightfully 5 years. Okay, now they say, let's play the call. Be my colleague. For 5 years. Marriage, if you are here, you are a young man, you are not married, you get married in Jesus' name. No man must go unpunished. Yes, now what are they marriage? See, you don't say when you marry, my brother, listen to me. You don't say when you marry, you need to meet up. When you marry, like children, now when you marry, you don't say fuck my work. Anywhere you talk to, now your wife did there. Anywhere, that's why married man, no, they use that thing, they see root. If they just see water way dirty, if they walk. Marriage, hold on now to the marriage. And you know, say, the way our generation takes sex, we sex for this generation. Our fathers, now normal style, our fathers do. See what our fathers do. Normal missionary style. They don't old now. See the way our fathers say the waka. For normal missionary style, you see the way our parents say the waka. With what we do with our ways. If we don't old, if you just say one. Hold on. They went. One more. Hold on. With the sex. Now make our youth before anybody go get stroke, you must reach 60 or 70 before you get stroke. Youth of these days, 40, 30 will not get stroke because of sex. And you know, say, if we dey sex, now because of all those things we they take for our generation, that make you see 25 years old boy go get stroke. All these drugs what they take for sex. And you know when you dey sex, if you want come, now this leg you dey shake. And at the same vein where sperm they follow come, now stroke they follow come. So as they do like this now, this leg they weak they go. Before you know one morning you wake up, this leg no move again. I be stroke now. Hold on now. Marriage. This one they talk about marriage. You know, how many children you get? 1. I get 2. That means you sleep with your wife. If anything happen to my second born, I mean, that boy don't like sex. If you do with that boy, if I just touch mama like this, he go burst cry. If I just touch married people here, you can relate. You put pikin to sleep, maybe you touch mama, the pikin go that boy hates sex. I could go find and say, okay, I dey touch the breast where he like left breast. So I call them, anytime I avoid that breast, you know they cry. So you know they say children they connected to their mother breast. That's why anybody, if they do engagement, and they see some people, they go do engagement. They again no go get breast. They are busy say yes, and they do engagement. If you marry, if you they say you hold breast, they pray for your children. What do you hold? Breast is life, oh. If you know you love breast, let me say, I love breast. You want to use breast to play? I said my second son. Now they are telling me say my second son. Now me resemble. See breast. see, some people when they go bought you, they carry their children, go say, I want my children to go to the best university. Listen to me. What you go look out for when you born your pikin, especially now boy. If you want me to know disgrace for future, look out for what you carry. That's what you work on that before education. It's a ration before education. That's why me, when I born my pikin, I don't be listening to my pikin now. The pikin don't resemble me. Now one day when my wife called the bathroom, I just see everywhere here. I said, this is the bone of my man and the flesh of my flesh. Yeah, now you be man. That's how those people they do. Sex tape, this, sex tape. Now because you carry small thing, I make they call it sex tape. If you carry big thing, if your teeth big, you sleep with person, the video go viral. Not be sex tape, now video drop. What are you talking about? Last meet, when last meet? I see you right there, Where my homes? Where my people? God bless you now. Shobi, that's why now 2 tribes I like for this life. 2 tribes. If you the tribe will get the biggest blood close. Now the way they take the dress, you know say they get blood close. Now be Delta Urobome and Hausa. That's how Urobo they tie apart. Hausa they wear jalabia. What did they carry trousers? No fiola. Yes, sir. You know, so they want to say step terrain for this country now. Any small thing says step. That's why me. Before I sleep with any girl, I always check whether cameras there. Couple I say people they do condom, now they do cameras. Any small thing says step. Couple I say that they plant camera. Because that person need to be careful. You don't understand? Now you gonna sleep with girl before you come. Insta block don't release. Who please? This country where no balance. Nigeria is frustrated with what all those judges do. Peter will be for court. I tell my wife, oh, it's not enough to say fear woman, fear anybody where we are weak. Next Peter will be up. Nigeria no balance again. Now what are you telling me? Talking about that, my son show me pepper. Show me pepper. I don't forget one day I go vanity club. I don't drink. You don't ever drink before you and your wife they say each other nude picture. I call the drive, they go out. I'll send my wife nude. He go send me nude. I'll send my wife nude. So I call them the mood. My wife said, they send me, say, he don't bath, he don't relax. Now, so what I don't give the children sleeping tablet, he say, don't give them. Children don't take sleeping tablet. 4. The senior one know they get problem with me and my wife. I hate that myself. Your pikin don't frustrate you before in the morning you wake up, he greet you, you know answer. That my second son, I don't like him. The boy frustrates me. That me and my wife they in the mood. My wife they watch videos, baby. Me they go and they blow go. I'm not cheat. You know so cheat they free for night. Yeah. I just enter. I say, baby, are you ready for me? Say I'm ready. Come upstairs. I just come. I check the children. 12 days they sleep. Me no say me don't high. So now left breast that my son they like because I don't drink. I don't know which breast be left or right. As I want just dive my wife. We don't enter the mood, we don't play, foul play. As I pull out for the left breast, my pikin just burst cry. And my wife know they like pikin cry. As pikin burst cry, my wife stand up. You want to go down meet pikin, let me burst cry. Pikin they cry, me they cry. My wife did the middle. Pikin they cry, me they cry. My wife did the middle. Now me tell my wife, I beg, make it die. If he die, we'll born another pikin. What are you telling me? Children can be very frustrated. Marriage and women make your marriage very spicy. Valentine's Day. Let me ask madam, Valentine's Day, what did you buy for your husband? What did you buy? What did you buy? What did they buy for your guy? Make your marriage spicy. You know if you just on Valentine's Day, you know if you just lodge this man for room, for hotel, lodge him. Only you go just day hotel like this. You go come, you go wear nightgown. As the man dey hotel naked. Mr. Naked, the one also. As the man dey hotel naked, you go call your wear nightgown. Wow! You see how your husband like hotel. That na room 101 money. As your husband dey bed like this naked, you go just go, you just wear nightgown. You just say, I'm not the one to sleep with you. You come out, you invite the side chick. The side chick will come. I'm your side chick, I'm not the one to sleep with you. The guy when you are the side chick come pay. You come and say, I'm the one to sleep with you. Make it spicy. Who said this guy is crazy? They insult us, yeah? They hold me while I get 2 children. This guy is crazy. The name of laugh. Just curse me. No, don't worry, I like your insult. See me after the show, let me insult you. Make make it spicy. You don't understand? And that is why men, they quit die. Men, we they give all our all to woman. This advice, and this M.O.P landlord supposed here. Because men, they quit die. That is why, do you know, as I speak to you, we have about 200 million grandmothers and 400 grandfathers. The grandfathers are going, the grandmothers are there. They are taking the grandmothers to Omugo, they are taking the grandfathers to the morgue. They are dying. And because of what they go through, you as a man, you want to go sleep with woman. You reach where the woman there. That's a baby, I want head. I want head. You don't give the girl head, give her head, give her head, give her head. He reached out for you to sleep with the girl now. The girl said, "May you go wear condom." What do you want, prevent? If first when you don't drink 50 liters. Rubbish. And let me tell you something. Why men they die quick before women? Do you know that men go they expect girl? The girl go they come, you know say they go meet my way, want sleep with you. You call rub makeup, rub highlighter, powder. Now sleep, you want to go sleep with man, oh. Now you they go where the man they reach there. Instead where the man go say, "May you go bath." Before I sleep with you, the man they tell you say, the man now, he don't see the way you take fine, he just dive you, use the tongue, take lick all the makeup. And you know say this black tea where women they run for face, now that way they middle of battery, they take the do one. Now the man, hold on now. Now the man don't lick all, don't lick everything, lick makeup. And a disease, you don't lick so. You don't tell the girl, when the girl go back. That's why some men, their belly go, they swear. They go to say Nigerian men, now foundation for years old. You are dying slowly. That's why me as a bad Billy boy, if I invite girl come, as the girl come like this, as he rub makeup, we have for the buy condom, now for the buy face wipe. As she come, fair wipe her before I wipe her. Wow! What are they throw them? I said we didn't think that kid gone. Everything new. And one for you, you don't want me. Nigeria don't have now even non-living things, they plan person. If non-living things, no WhatsApp group to the plan person. Why gas and DSTV they finish the same time? Why everything they finish the same time? School fees will come join. Very difficult country. You don't understand? I'm about. Lastly, please, if you go to the city of Abuja and you are lodged in a hotel, and inside that hotel, you waka, you see where they write Chinese massage. Please do not invite them. I had a very bad experience. Very, very. You just laugh. How are you? Funny. Your own is sure. You're just smiling. These are they don't get problem. Now I believe they crack joke now. Problem. As they crack joke, they know they laugh. They'll look after now your guy. More laugh. I swear. If I believe that they spray you, if Benin person spray you 500 naira like this, because how far? They don't spray the guy green. Mirechi. They like colors for that time. You know understand? If you go to Abuja and you see say, hold on, I bet I finish. I did my last one. I just wrap up. You see where they write Chinese Masood. I beg, wrong. One day I don't go do show for Abuja for Transcorp. I don't tire. As I call around after 1. Now tell reception say all these Chinese people in the massage place so they be re. He say na re. I say correct. I say I beg invite 2. Now they invite 2. One na Thailand, the other one na Japan. As they come, they meet me, they look me, they say Choinya, Chai Chu. Now I look them, I say, wait here, they say, off your clothes. Off my clothes. One enter inside, one stand for door. I dey inside with one, I don't lie down for bed. I keep my boss, I make sure I don't put the boss because I don't trust Chinese people. So as I lie down for bed, now the guy speak one language. He put Chunya. I said, what you that? She said, only massage. I said, yes, only massage. So I don't know, say, happy end the day. Now be that only massage. He asked me again, he put Chunya. I said, well, it's only massage. I said, only massage. The guy massaged me. I know say he give you a Chinese for the touch for body. All the point now to make it rise. The guy massage me. You know, say massage, it is sweet until they tell you make you turn. Now the guy tell me make I turn. As I turn, I lie down. My son name Standup. The guy looked at it. Now he asked me that question again. He put two chunya. Now let me speak my language. Give an answer. You must tell Lulu. She said, what's the meaning of that? I said, let your will be done. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is M.O.P. You can call me the
Good night. I love you.